Welcome to this essential video on front-loading washing machine installation. We'll guide you through the setup process step by step. You'll need several tools for installation: an adjustable wrench, a spirit level, inlet hoses, and thread seal tape. Gather these before you start. Choose a solid, flat floor for the machine. Ensure there is enough space for the door and at the back. Avoid placing the washing machine on wooden floors. It is critical to remove the transit bolts from the back of the machine. These bolts lock the drum for shipping. Skipping this step will destroy the machine. Cover the holes with the provided plastic caps. If you are using a pedestal, assemble it first. Place the machine securely on the base and fasten the provided brackets. Do this before connecting any hoses. Connect the red hose to the hot water inlet and the blue hose to the cold water inlet. Hand tighten the connections, then add a quarter turn with pliers. Slowly open the taps. Set the drain pipe height between 60 and 100 centimeters. Use the U-shaped guide and ensure an air gap. Be careful not to kink the hose. Adjust all 4 feet using a spirit level on top of the machine. Check the level both side to side and front to back. Lock each foot with a nut to prevent the machine from wobbling. Plug the machine directly into a grounded outlet. Never use extension cords. Keep the power cord away from water to ensure safety. Before using it for laundry, run an empty cycle first. Select the drum clean cycle. This allows the machine to calibrate and removes any factory residue. Remember that front loaders require a more precise setup than top loaders, including stricter requirements for leveling and drain height and specific transit bolt removal. For maintenance, leave the door open after washing and wipe the rubber gasket. Always use high-efficiency detergent, as regular soap can damage the machine. Your machine is now ready. You have successfully completed the installation. Enjoy your perfect wash.